Place fixing pin 4 using your hand. Place fixing pin 3 using your hand. Place fixing pin 2 using your hand. Place fixing pin 1 using your hand. Place table leg 4 using your hand. Place table leg tree using your hand. Place table leg 2 using your hand. Place table leg 1 using your hand. Place table middle panel using your hand. Place L profile 2 using your hand. Place screw vertical 2 using your hand. Place screw horizontal 2 using your hand. Place L profile 1 using your hand. Place screw vertical 1 using your hand. Place screw horizontal 1 using your hand. Place L profile 4 using your hand. Place screw vertical 4 using your hand. Place screw horizontal 4 using your hand. Place L profile 3 using your hand. Place screw vertical 3 using your hand. Place screw horizontal 3 using your hand. Place tabletop panel using your hand.